Okay, you ready? This means we'll be friends forever! And ever! Aww, love you, bestie!
I'd better make note of this. I'm not so sure about this, girl. Absolutely not. I'm gonna take care of this. Hello, ladies. Ava.
Thanks for coming over, Megan. So, what do you think? Ta-da! Cool, right? It's cool. Yep. Oh, why don't you come inside? In there? I don't know about this. Can you come here for a sec? Huh? Oh, it's right over there. Yep, just that away. Ah! This is so awkward. Oh, this thing's kinda small. Done. I guess I'll just leave it. So this is my dancing room. Wow!
Fresh pineapple juice, ladies.
They're clean enough. Sure. No. I'll go wash my hands then. BRB. Ugh. This is her bathroom? Oh my gosh. This is bigger than my whole tent. Real gold? And what do these do? Should I press them? Why not? Huh? Wait! Nope! Make it stop! No more, please! Phew. Huh? Oh no! Stop! Please, no! Blow dryer's off! What? Money? I can't believe this! Hello? Ava? Huh? Check it out! I'm rich! Oh, Ava. I can't keep my eyes open. Hey, Megan. A little help here?
Miss, your backpack. I believe you'll be needing this. Your golden notebook. And your decor, of course.
Wow, thank you. Nice, huh? I have stuff too. Just bring me the stuff, okay? It's on its way. Hey.
Let me just set you up. I brought you all the essentials. Like paper. Almost like new. And a pencil can, too. Any chips left in here? It's all yours. Here you go.
See all this? I guess. Hey, get me some more stuff.
Okay, how about your laptop? The newest model, of course.
That's right. Ugh! Can I have one of those? Please?
Let me think. I may have something in here. Yep, I knew it. A real computer keyboard. All for you. The screen, too.
Wow! I've never had a laptop before.
And a phone, too.
Yahoo! No way! You rock!
Jealous? I'd be.
At least I have this.
Are those hundreds?
Yeah, you want them? Hey, stop! Go fetch!
Ah, got it! I'm a rich, rich man. Nothing to see here.
I can't believe you did that! I'd better get to work anyway. Huh? I took the scenic route to class today. What did I miss? Cool shoes, huh? They're actually one of a kind. I have the only ones in the world. Wow! Hi there! Oh, are you looking for some answers? This thing has them all. Pretty sick, right? I know. Hashtag lucky, I guess.
I'm on the way, miss. I found 2 size 8s.
Meh.
How about these?
No!
Oh, okay.
So annoying.
These?
Mm-mm.
These?
Ew. Oh, no way! That's enough!
No, give me another chance.
Ugh.
I have to think of something. And I know just the thing. Plain shoes? That's no problem. A cute scarf can turn things around. Just cut it to size. And what's better than gold bottoms? Gives them an extra little something. Perfection!
I'm bored.
Like these?
Like? Try love? Are they my size?
Oh boy, I've done it.
These are the cutest shoes ever! Thank you! You deserve an extra large tip. Just take it all.
I'm one lucky man. Off to the Bahamas I go!
Wow! This place is super cute! And look at all these shoes! It's like candy! Mine! Just these. Oh, is this enough?
Oh, $1. It doesn't cover one strap.
Really? That's all I have. But I want them so badly.
Let me see what I can do. I have these from last season.
Cool. Oh! I should probably try them on. I hope they fit. Let's see. So far so good. I don't know about these. Yay! See ya! Ugh, I wish I could go to this. But I have nothing to wear. Oh well. Moving on. What's this thing? A shirt? A dress? A mess? Whatever. Anything else? Huh? What's this? Ugh! Wow! Huh? Woo! Finally! Thank you! Are you a real fairy? Hey! Are you kidding me? No! My bad. Oh, sorry. I think you'll like this one. Whoa! This is fabulous! I don't know. It's not quite right. Try this one. Now we're talking. I love it! Phew! What a relief. Have fun at the party. Time to rock out! This place is sick. Wow! It's pretty in here. Oh, hey! Is that my dress? How embarrassing. Oh no. This is not okay. I'll just make it different then. This slip ought to do the trick. It's a totally different color. Hello? Fabric, please. Wait till you see what I do with this. Nobody else will be wearing it. That's for sure. Alright, just a few more tucks. And I'm done.
Oh!
I'm back. Wow, that outfit's so pretty. The color is super cool. Yeah, I thought you'd say that. Let's dance.
Oh, coming!
Oh, I look cute. It's just so nice to have something warm to drink. None of these are good. Can you take a picture of me? Sure. Oops! My coffee! What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. Oh my gosh! What is wrong with you? Here, use this. Are you crazy? What? It's just pocket change. If I'm quick, it'll be okay. This is hilarious. Oh, a party! What will I wear? This looks good. Where is she? You're here. This is for you. Ooh. What's this for? I don't want it. I brought my own. Okay. Make sure you get my good side. Is this lighting okay? Sure. Let's lift some weights. Oh, feel the burn. Looking good. That's enough. Time for some core work. Ready? Oh, this is such hard work. Oh, that's lovely. Got it! Okay, stop. This is getting too much. What a workout. There's your phone. Are you serious? I look awful! What were you thinking? This room is so messy. Let's do this. I'm ready. How did they get there? Oh, I'm so lazy. Although, I have a great idea. If I hang the jeans over this door… Then close it over. Then put the broom through the belt hoops. It's perfect for pull-ups. Pain is only temporary. Wow, that was great. Look at those gains. I've got the fitness bug. I'll position the chairs like this. This is much tougher. Whoa! Maybe I could use this cloth. Can't skip leg day. Phew, I'll feel that tomorrow. And the floor is clean. Now that's a proper workout. I'm so glad you came! I'll be right back. Oh, I can't believe she lives here. This is nice. Huh? Is someone there? Hello? Probably nothing. Okay, that's weird. It's just your imagination. There's no such thing as ghosts or monsters. Something! Just touch me! Ah! It started! The robots are rising up! Oh no you don't! Get back here! What was that? What's going on? Think you can get away from me? Oh! Hey, Mickey. Why are you wrestling my vacuum? Your vacuum? Yeah. I need to clean up now. This outfit's cute. Oh no! Please be okay. Hair! I guess I should change. There must be something to wear. I need to do some laundry. Hold on. And now to get creative. Wow, these look great! And I don't need to do laundry. Time to go. Really? This is so unfair! Each sequin was hand-stitched. It's the latest style in Paris. No way. I hate it. How about this? Get this out of my sight! What else do you have? Find me something to wear. Back in a moment. Where are you going? Okay, I have this. It's very exclusive. Oh, and expensive. At last. Wow! I need to have them! They're perfect! I'm gonna try them on. Take your time. I've done it again. I'm a genius. This is so exciting! What will I spend the money on? What do you think? I know. I look amazing. What? Money can't buy taste. Thanks! What's taking so long? This burger looks great. I'm so hungry. Ooh! Bon appétit, madame. Not again. I'm so bored of gold burgers. At least it's not ramen. That looks delicious. I'd love some ramen. Hey, Essie. Want to swap? Of course! I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, it smells so good. I've not had a burger in so long. Ouch! My teeth. What is that? A gold chain? Is that supposed to be in there? It gives it flavor. Whatever. No matter how much money is in our bank accounts, we're all people at the end of the day. If you were rich, what would you do to make life more interesting? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.